Assalamu alaikum, this is Hamza from Car School. I'm back to another video for PHP. So in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about concatenation, means that how we can concatenate two or more variables and strings two or maybe numbers. So on this line, so let's just start out by creating another variable called abb and it's equals to the hypertext preprocessor. So we can concatenate strings or variables with the help of a dot. And if you have our program before, so you may know. So let's just take this. If you have program in JavaScript, we use plus to concatenate. So in this PHP, so this concatenate just with the help of dot. So just first of all, we are going to do this with the help of single quote, and then when we become lazy, we use double quotes, and then we see how easily that we can do the same. So it's just and now address the variable lang, and then to put your single quotes and give space and type stands for a string, and then concatenate and address to another variable that we have just created now. So just save and check it on the browser. So let's just refresh our browser, click on refresh and find nothing. Oops. Okay, so save and browser, click on refresh and find PHP stands for hypertext purposes. Oops, sorry, forgot to give it space here. Save all, and now and we can okay, so let's just leave this. And if we have more variables, so we can concatenate it after this variable means put a dot and concatenate to another variable. So now we are not going to concatenate anymore because this is the end of line. So there's just now what we have to do with the double quotes. Now you will see that how easily that we can do the same. Just type the variable, no need of concatenation, extra coding, just type. So at the time we are not concatenated, so kind of type. So just save and go back to browser, click on refresh and find the same PHP stands for hypertext preprocessor. And maybe here are things that if we echo this out, just the same is in literal, no change means no this value, just this variable itself. So what we have to do, we have to escape this dollar sign just with the help of backslash this, and we can also do this the same. So it's just escape this, save and just check out browser and refresh, and we find the lang stands for the ABBR in a literal. So and what we can now do more, so we can easily change the value. So let's just change this HTML and now there hypertext markup language. So go and refresh in browser and find HTML stands for hypertext markup language. And what we can do now, so just remove this, go back to the previous double single quotes, so tab the stands for, and then concatenate the second variable, and eventually we find our result. Just go and refresh and it's the same. So we can also add an extra piece of markup. So it's just HTML markup. So it's just so we can do bold, just strong, and now this put another single quote. So just go and refresh, and we can now see that the hypertext markup language is now bold because we have used a extra markup on it, a strong markup. We can also use a bold B or I to tell it, to emphasize it. And this is the, what can you say, concatenation combining two strings and variables together. And what we can also do, just we have to escape in the double quotes to echo out this the variable itself, but in the single quote we don't have to do this. Just go and oops, what are this? Go bring it down and just remove this, and now you will see this $lang stands for the ABBR. No, we don't have to escape anything in the single quote, and I recommend you a single quote because this is more we have to define everything separately. Means we have to concatenate with the help of dot and something like you'll understand yourself when you try it yourself. And we are also going to use the concatenation in our coming tutorials and in our programming experience too.